So yeah, looks pretty good. Happy. Hi, and welcome back. Today, be messing with the back end. We're gonna put this fender on and put those 6 bolts to tie this side and that side together. We'll strap this back together too. We'll have to take this part, put the fender on, put strap over the fender. So it'll take us a little bit, but this video may be on the shorter side since I don't think it's gonna take me long to put this fender on or those 6 bolts. And that's all I can do with this truck for now. Still haven't found the passenger side or the driver, or passenger side fender or the top of the bed piece. Last video we got the hood on, and I'm still trying to find tires that'll fit those rims. I think they're 15s. Around my area, 15-inch tires are kind of hard to come by, especially used ones. But anyways, we will get to work, and like I said, this will probably be a really short video unless I can find something else to get into. Shameless self-plug again. I'm gonna take this off and put my other hat on because I know eventually I'm gonna forget, and this thing's just gonna get dirty, and I want to keep it clean as long as possible, especially right in here where I touch it and get super dirty. Anyways, start by I want to tie the back end to end first on both sides, and then we'll take this loose and put the fender up. And hopefully by the end of this shot will look like a complete truck. Probably just leave you right here, or I might put you back here for the back end, and then right here for the fender. But anyways, let's go there and get to work. Can't see what I mean, dirty spot. But another thing I want to get this done pretty quick is because I got to mow pretty bad out there, and looks like rain's coming. But let me show you what I got. Showed you these in last video. These should fit all the way through the main brakes that goes along the bottom into the bed sides, and I'll tie the hinge for the tailgate. Pin it in the better. And so we got these. We'll put some washers on each side. Brand new nuts to put on too. Anyways, I'm gonna set you back here, and we'll get this back end tied in pretty quick. All right, I'm pretty confident now. The back end is not going anywhere. So there's still a little wiggle room up there. Tailgate can go down to the point. So with the tailgate down, got too long of bolts though. Oh well, it'll still work. As you can see, the bed needs to come this way some, be lined up more square. But that's just nitpicking. Anyways. Back end's good, I think. Now we're gonna take the chain strap off and pop this bad boy back on there. Hopefully it'll go on there easy enough. And let's get to putting that on, and then we'll, like I said before, we'll have this side looking like a truck. Got the fender on. It was a lot more harder than I thought. Anyways, well, it looks like it's kind of moved forward a little bit, doesn't it? Bed can move up a little bit, I think. Not much though. But it's on there, it's solid. So we need this piece here. We got this done today. It's everything, so I didn't put all the bolts in it yet. But looking down the side, looks like a truck. Just need the other fender. I'll strap it up later. I won't bore you with me doing that. Door and the hood that needs to, I still think these need to be kind of bent out this way a little bit. And that should bring that down a little bit. But got it on and looks like a truck now. Especially if you look down the side. But yep, looks pretty good. Happy. I got it somewhat together. Like I said, we need to get new tires before we roll it out, but I think she's ready to go back in the barn. Unless he wants to buy it, then it can go to him. Pretty happy. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Probably gonna be a shorter video, just bolting on parts. Surprisingly, that wore me out pretty good on my shoulders. It's hard trying to blindly find the spot to put the bolt in. This truck, as soon as we get 3 new tires, bolt the tires back on it, keep the strap across until we find that back piece and the fender, so we can put those on in the back barn. Right now, just need 3 good used tires, and then we can take this out and bring the Bronco back. So next time, we'll be working on this, trying to get this kick panel, floor pan together. May pull the kick panel off and drill my spot weld holes. But I want to give one good look over again to make sure I'm not missing anything. I think we're pretty close to being ready to start putting the passenger side back together. Hopefully it'll be done by the end of this month. And then we can move to the driver's side kick panel area. I'm not taking it completely out. I'm just gonna kind of go in behind it and repair the rust that needs to be repaired, because I don't want to have this whole compression, the body falling on itself and being an inch off from the other side, and it's too much headache. I'd just rather keep as much as a door pillar I can, so I don't have to do this again. Yes, because I'm gonna have trouble putting the door pillar in. I'm gonna have somebody help me. I do have a guy I think I'm gonna call, see if he can't come over and help me figure it out a little bit better. But that'll be way on down the line. Like I said, we gotta get this out of here and get that ready for welding. I may actually bring him in here to look at this and see if he thinks it's all right, because he's not he's been doing body work for years, and this stuff like this is not what he does for a living, so it's kind of difficult to find somebody like that. But I'll see if he can't come over and help me. Anyways, but yeah, regardless, this truck is going out here really quick. We got everything back on it. There's nothing else in that barn except for the old heater core that went in the cab. Everything else, I can't find the radiator support for that. We do need to put this piece back on it though. Forgot about that. We may put that piece back on it and then take it out to the barn. We'll put that on it later. I'm tired, but and I gotta mow too. So anyways, well, that being said, thank you for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Car related. Got the truck together somewhat. We bring the Camaro, or not the Camaro. We need to start the Camaro and the Healy, turn the Healy over. I keep on saying we need to do that. We need to do that. Might do that next time. And hopefully this will be out of here. Anyways, we'll push the Bronco back and start working on it. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I post like I said, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Some over automobile. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. That's what this channel's about, is trying to get this one either sold and somebody who's going to use it, or back on the road. If you don't buy it, I got an idea for this one to kind of monetize it, make it my daily. But that's going to be a lot of money. Anyways, getting off subject. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.